In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Slide to USB flash drive step by step. First, open your web browser and go to Google Slides. Sign in if you need to, then open the presentation you want to take with you. Give it a quick look to make sure everything is final, titles spelled correctly, images loaded, and any last-minute tweaks done. It's always easier to fix things before you download. Next, we'll download the file to your computer. In the top left of Google Slides, click File. Hover over Download and you'll see several format options. The two most reliable choices are Microsoft PowerPoint.ptx and PDF.pdf. Choose PowerPoint if you plan to present on a computer that uses PowerPoint or if you might need to make edits later. It preserves slides, notes, and most animations, and it works great when you won't have internet access. Choose PDF if you only need to view or print the slides and you want to lock the layout so it can't be edited. PDFs are simple, compact, and display consistently across machines. When you pick a format, your browser will begin downloading the file. By default, it usually goes to your Downloads folder. Now plug your USB flash drive into your computer. In Windows, it typically shows up in File Explorer as USB drive, removable disk, or under a drive letter like E or F. Give it a second to appear. If needed, click this PC to see all available drives. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and locate your presentation file. Right-click the file and choose Copy if you want to keep a copy on your computer, or choose Cut if you want to move it entirely. Then open your USB drive in File Explorer and right-click inside the window to paste. You can paste it directly on the drive or into an existing folder. Wait for the progress bar to complete. A quick tip: glance at the file size on the USB to make sure it matches the original. This helps confirm it copied correctly. Finally, safely eject the USB. In the Windows taskbar, click the Safely Remove Hardware icon, choose your USB drive, and select Eject. Wait for the confirmation that it's safe to remove, then pull the flash drive out. This step protects your files from corruption and ensures the presentation will open cleanly on another computer. That's it, you've downloaded your Google Slides presentation, copied it to a USB flash drive, and ejected it safely, ready to present anywhere even without internet.